Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you guys? My name is Mahmoud. I'm Arabic language tutor. I teach Quran and Arabic to the native speakers. So if you'd like to have a lesson online with me, you can email me here at ustazmahmoud184@gmail.com. Today inshallah we're going to learn how to say in Arabic it's impossible. How to say it's impossible in Arabic language. And as we usually do, we take an example first. It's impossible to live without air. It's impossible to live without air. How to say this sentence in Arabic language? Well, we say من المستحيل الحياة بدون هواء. من المستحيل الحياة بدون هواء. من المستحيل, it means it's impossible. Okay, الحياة to live. Okay, بدون هواء, without air. من المستحيل الحياة بدون هواء. It's impossible to live without air. So from this example, I think you know what's the meaning of it's impossible. It means من المستحيل, من المستحيل, and after it you add a noun. You add a noun. من المستحيل, and after it you add اسم or a noun. So for example, من المستحيل, it's impossible to satisfy all people. It's impossible to satisfy all people. So we say first من المستحيل, من المستحيل. Okay, and to satisfy all people, إرضاء كل الناس. من المستحيل إرضاء كل الناس. إرضاء satisfy. Okay, كل الناس, all people. من المستحيل إرضاء كل الناس. Or it's impossible to give up now. It's impossible to give up now. So من المستحيل, first we add من المستحيل, and then give up now. الاستسلام الآن. من المستحيل الاستسلام, give up now, الآن. من المستحيل الاستسلام الآن. Or it's impossible to do that. It's impossible to do that. So we add first من المستحيل, من المستحيل to do that. فعل هذا. من المستحيل فعل هذا. It's impossible to do that. فعل do. من المستحيل فعل هذا. Or it's impossible to go back in time. It's impossible to go back in time. من المستحيل, okay, and go back in time. الرجوع بالزمن. من المستحيل الرجوع بالزمن. رجوع بالزمن, to go back in time. الرجوع بالزمن. من المستحيل الرجوع بالزمن. So it's impossible means من المستحيل. Okay, I hope this lesson is really useful for you, inshallah guys. Please don't forget to make like for this video and subscribe for the channel, and if you could share this video with your friends who are interested in Arabic language, I'll be really grateful for this, because this really helped me. And also don't forget to make dua for me and for my family. Thank you, and I see you in other videos inshallah. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.